how to start a generator. There are some basic steps. Turn the on switch on, and then we're going to turn it around here. You're going to want to turn your fuel on. The next step is the choke. If it's a cold engine, you're going to do a full choke, which means all the way over. If it's already been running and you just shut it off to refill the gas or move it around, you probably aren't going to have to choke it. But ours is cold, so we're going to go full choke. And then also, important step, forgot to mention, with a generator, you don't want nothing plugged into it. If something's plugged in and it's trying to pull electricity, you're going to bog your engine down. So unplug all the cords. We've got the full choke on, gas on. Then you're just simply going to pull the cord. It'll start revving up, and then you'll move it to either like a half choke, which just means halfway in between, and you're waiting for it to be able to idle on its own. If you move it, the choke to open, and it starts kind of bogging down and chugging, move it back over to choke it. That's just not letting as much air in while the thing warms up. Where you just kind of just keep playing with that until you're able to fully take the choke off and it's running on its own. So let's give it a try. I'm just going to start this up and shut it. If you're actually going to run this, it needs to be outside. So full choke, fuel on switch on. Let's see what we can do here. There we go. And there you saw where we had to kind of play with the choke a little bit until it warmed up. Now if you do all this and yours doesn't start, there's some other tips that we can try. So let's go to level 2 by clicking the video right there, and we'll do some more in-depth ways of starting it. Otherwise, click the subscribe or logo button and I'll check you out on the next one.